Alright, so this is the first target question, the week 5 handout, and wow, that is a lot of words. But it's basically telling us all about this class of 62 students. It gives us the amount of students who don't like penguins, llamas, or giraffes, which how can you not like a penguin or a llama? Literally, both of those are my 2 favorite animals, which is a crime against humanity to not like them. But in any case, 22 don't like those or giraffes. And then there are 24 people who like penguins, 25 who like llamas, and 20 like giraffes. And so the number of students who like both penguins and llamas they give us, that's 15. They give us the number of students who like llamas and giraffes, that's 12. And the number of students who like giraffes and penguins is 6. So we're basically just trying to find how many students like all 3, penguins, llamas, and giraffes. And now this, like I said, it's a lot of information. So we want some way to organize it. And we're going to organize it actually using a Venn diagram. And so in this Venn diagram, we're looking for, let's say this is the amount of people who like penguins, this is the amount of people who like llamas, and this is the amount of people who like giraffes, okay? Oh wow, that's a beautiful circle. And we're looking for this number right here in the middle. That's what we're looking for. But what information do they give us? Now, the first thing we want to look at is it tells us that 22 students right off the bat don't like any of them, right? So there's going to be 20 students over here who just, who just don't like any of them. They're just haters. But that leaves 40 students who do like, at least one of them. So that's going to be 40 students. And it tells us the number of students who like penguins, llamas, and giraffes is 24, 25, and 20. But all of those don't add up to 40, right? They add up to way more than 40. 24 plus 25 plus 20, that's equal to 45 plus 24, that's equal to 69, which is definitely more than 40. So what that tells us is there's an overlap. We're double counting something because it's in these areas in which, they're counted in the people who like penguins and the people like llamas and the people like giraffes. They're actually triple counted. So we're counting the overlapped areas twice because they're included in multiple categories. And so what that tells us is the number of, students in those overlapped areas is just 69 minus 40. So there's going to be 29 total students who are somewhere in these overlapped areas. Now, we can apply that same logic as we keep working inward. There are 29 people total throughout, all of this overlapped area. But if we look at the information they give us for the number of students who like penguins and llamas and giraffes, and then giraffes and penguins, that's way more than 26. So that's actually equal to, 15 plus 12 plus 6, which is equal to 27 plus 6, which is equal to 33, which is more than 29. So again, these extra numbers, they just represent everything that's in the middle here, because that's being counted for the number of people who like penguins and llamas and giraffes and penguins. It's being counted, possibly 3 different times. So that's what these overlapped. That's why there's more here than here. So to find the amount of people who are in those overlapped areas, we just have to do the same thing. We have to do 33 minus 29, which will give us 4, which tells us there are 4 people right in the middle of the middle. So there are 4 people who like all 3, penguins, llamas, and giraffes, as they should.